Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove green screen in Canva. So let's get started. So as you can see, we got a green screen photo right over here. So how we can remove this green screen from this photo? It's very simple guys. What you need to do is to first select this photo. Then you will see the edit image option right upper side. Select that and tap on it. And then you'll see the BG remover. So you need to just click on the BG remover and it will take some time. And as you can see, there is no background in the photo right now. So that's how you can simply remove the green screen in Canva. If there is a video, then you can also remove the video's background for green screen. So how you can do that? Again, select the video. Then from here, you will see the edit video option. Just tap on the edit video. And then again, you will see the background remover. So click on that and it will take some time. And as you can see, we got a video without any background. So that's how you can simply remove green screen in Canva. So thank you so much guys for watching this video and have a great day.